Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. I've got a short video. I'm going to talk about external references and loading drawings into the outdoor module of Lighting Reality. This is a drawing that I've been playing around with, and as if you go to the external references manager, you can see there's a bunch of external references that are loaded in. I have to say, XRefs are an extremely useful feature within AutoCAD. And when they are used well, they shorten design time and so on and so forth. So now when a drawing is initially loaded into Lighting Reality, or for that matter into AutoCAD, what happens is it looks for the external references in the original location. If it can't find them in that location, it looks in the folder where the drawings that you've just loaded is saved from, and that all works fine. In this case, it's come up and said the drawing exceeds 500 layers. There's nothing wrong with that. All it means is that there's more than 500 layers in the drawing. It's to do with this dialog box here, where you can edit the and we're limited to 500 layers in that dialog box. So if I go to set area, I previously worked out that this drawing was actually in meters, so I'm going to select, as you can see, I've got an object over here that's causing all kinds of trouble. Go to set area and then select area to zoom in on the area of interest, there we go, and then select area again, and then we can go ahead and do the lighting design in the normal way. So you'd obviously set your grids up and so on and so forth, but when you save the drawing, and I'm going to save this to projects, and I'm going to call this XRefs 2. So if we now go back and load that project up that we've just saved, what will happen is it doesn't load the drawing from the original location. It loads it from the project save, and we do this deliberately because if you sent that project to somebody else, then they obviously won't have the drawings in the original locations, and as such they need to be able to load the file so that they can see what's going on in the drawing. But what you can see is that there's parts of the drawing that are missing, and that's because the external references have not been loaded. So if I go and reload the drawing, that will force it to reload from the original location, and it should reload all of the external references and so on and so forth as well. Being really honest about it, I spend a lot of time fiddling around with drawings and getting them into the right scale, and also binding in external references. So if I go back into CAD and select this drawing here, so you go into here, bind the drawing in, and what that does is, it rather than being an external reference, it actually brings it into the drawing itself, and then anything else you can also detach the other information as well, as necessary. I suspect that's gone onto a layer that's hidden, so which is why it's not worked. You know, it's a huge drawing, is this, so I'm not going to mess around with it too much. But anyway, I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@lightingreality.com. If you have any requests of topics you want us to cover as part of the tech tip, then please let us know. You can tweet us at Lighting Reality, or drop us an email, support@lightingreality.com, or you can message us in the area below. And if you found the video useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like the video. It helps us with the rankings within Google, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.